82.
Hi guys, good to see you again. Having an afternoon on the Malvern Hills today. A little bit of elevation in the legs, doing about 10 miles, and we'll probably do about 2,500 feet probably of elevation by the time we get back to Great Malvern. We're just coming off Herefordshire Beacon, which is as far south as we've gone today. 4 of us in the party: Sky, Antosh and John. And it's been a good afternoon, really enjoyed it. Good weather, good views, good for the soul. But yeah, we're about to go back out to the Alps in I'd say a couple of weeks. We're going out actually in about 10 days. So I figured it would probably be a good idea to get a little bit of elevation back in the legs, because we haven't really done anything. We've done lots of flat walking, but nothing more than that. So again, make use of that local high ground. So you know, to give us a chance to do our target in the Alps. So yeah, if you're watching this, that'll be the next video. But I won't take any more of your time up now, and I'll let you enjoy the views of the magnificent Malvern Hills. So see you in the next video. Take care.
Without a stone, talk to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a babe. The curiosity, get the Cadillac, you see. Stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut, ate a metaphor and lady made her cry. Luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. Start the day, I'm standing on in space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame?